BandBruhz, baby.
I knew it sounded like it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey man, say man, you feel me? What is good? It is your BandBruhs, and we are back. You feel me? Y'all haven't seen us in a minute, man. We've been doing the reaction videos, of course, but now it's the fall season again. You feel me? And what's better to start it off than with the tough members of Poison? You feel me? Otherwise known as Elizabeth City State University's Drumline, man. Them boys sound clean. Them boys sound tough. You feel me? And I'm not gonna lie, kid. In my opinion, I think they gonna whoop Winston ass tomorrow. I'm just. Hey, I'm just saying, you feel me? You know I'm gonna stir the pot. But look, man, we finna let them tell y'all who they are, everybody like that, you feel me? First, we're gonna start with the head honcho himself, man, the percussion instructor, man.
Hey, I'm Marquez Evans, drum instructor, first year drum instructor, captain for the Poison Drumline from 2018 to 2022, man.
I'm Dave, I'm a junior, I'm the captain of this drum line. It's really fun, and that's about it. Play snare.
Sure. I'm WW4 William Wilson, Duffo, you know. I play Quince, Spring 2020, my LB right here with me. Yeah.
What's good, y'all? My name is Jay. I'm a sophomore. I'm the bass captain of this bass line. Fall 22, you feel me? Representing where my LB's at. Yeah, you feel me? Representing.
What's good, y'all? I'm Isaac. I'm co-captain, you know what I'm saying? I gotta play the snare. Spring 20, bro. Got my LB with me, you already know.
Big facts. AK, you got something you want to say, bro, before I ask him some questions?
Yeah, we're gonna sort of keep this short. So first question gonna be this. How bad y'all gonna do Winston tomorrow?
We're not talking, but we love every drum line. I promise you we do.
Like I swear it's no beef, but like once you across from me, it's raps. I swear to God.
Hey.
What? Poppy, you look like you finna say it. You look like,
I ain't trying to be fine. Y'all do your thing.
Hey, for real, we come in there straight chop and blend to anybody. I sit in the front of the bus because I want to be the first to chop them up.
For sure. I like that energy.
And just know, I'm looking at the camera so niggas know it's personal, you feel me? Just know, when we in the stands and we see y'all there,
Hey, he stand on his tiptoes every time he talk.
First quarter, 15 minutes on the clock, 15 minutes of beats. Be ready. No, I'm not letting up. Y'all about to get smacked. You feel me? Like, it's not for the weak, you feel me? We ready.
All right, man, I got you. All right, one more question from Nigel, bro. All right, so look, this is the last question, man. So look, before we let them boys wrap us out, the last question I want to ask, man, obviously y'all are collegiate drummers, you feel me? And clearly y'all know if you don't do your schoolwork, you will not make it long in drums. I'm pretty sure we've all been through it. Central, we've been through it, you feel me? Winston, y'all as well, we understand. So what I want to ask y'all, man, and I want everybody to respond to this because everybody's kind of experiencing the same thing. What's one word or some advice that y'all can give, you feel me, to the young community and the people who's trying to follow in y'all footsteps to not only come and be great drummers, but to do what y'all instructor did, which most people don't, and graduate? What's some things y'all want to say, man? Try to make it brief.
I'm gonna be real brief with it. Straight up, literally, it sounds cliche, but literally go to class, man. Miss 5 classes in college, you fail. So go to class. It will save you some time in the long run.
Oh, we got this saying in practice. That's how I'm gonna take it. It's called go to class, do your work, and ask for help.
Take your shots, man. All you gotta do is focus up. Stay locked in, bro. That's all you need. I'm gonna keep it brief. Just stay locked in. You feel me?
Two things, priorities and consistency. You got priorities, go to class first. You're there for school and then band. Remember that.
Go to class and do your work and be a dedicated student. You a student first before you are a drummer. That is important.
Motivation. Find a motivation, you know. You wanna be on Drumline? Go to class. That's about it.
Hey, no cap, man. You just gotta have that fire in you, for real. Like, you just gotta stay motivated, stay locked in, do your work, ask questions when you need it, for real.
There are places on campus to get help and also people in the band to help you. So don't be afraid. Have that confidence in you.
I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. The first thing Coach Cass told all of us, grades, beats, then the girls. That's it.
Then the girls.
At the end of the day, just get your work done, get your beats done. At the end of the day, you know how the band's gonna do it. Drumline always gonna be number one as long as you get that work done first and stay in the classroom for real.
Need that.
Yeah, what you want to say, boy? Gonna wrap it up. Hey, you already know.
Yeah.
You feel me?
All right, man. So appreciate y'all for watching. Just a little snippet of them. Tomorrow they got the game against Winston-Salem State. Boy, it's finna be some. It might just be belt to ass.
It's beats, but it's all love at the end of the day.
We're gonna let these boys send it out, man. Shout out to y'all. Subscribe, all that, follow.
P-O-P-O-A-P-O-A-S-O-E 69 boys! 69 boys! Hey, man.
It's okay, DOA better.
Hey, you feel me? Hey, look, it's the bros, bro. We appreciate it, man, and we are out.